welcome to Bristan's webinar on our new products that we've got launching. We are live from Installer. Apologies about the live launch single Wednesday. This is what we're doing instead. So, firstly, we're just going to have a little look at our Essentials range. Our Essentials range is our new budget, so back to basics. Basics made brilliant. It's got a 5-year warranty. We've got 7 kitchen taps and 4 basin tap ranges available. These are non-Easyfit, so standard fixings on all of these products. This is for sort of your budget sort of properties. Again, like I said, you've still got your 1-year layback and you've got your 5-year guarantee on there as well. Also within the range, as well as our essential ranges, we have got a new black finish on 3 of our most popular kitchen taps on the Easyfit ranges. So with the black finish, as you can see here, 2 showcased. They are finished in Electrophoretic Deposition or EPD. They're all RAS approved as well, so on all the black products they are RAS approved throughout. So again, we've also got a brushed nickel, stainless steel in this range, antique bronze. All of our kitchen taps are Easyfit with a 10-year guarantee and a 1-year labour warranty. So within the black finish range, we talked about the kitchen taps. We've also got our black basin mixers. So this is our new Mila, finished in black, again with that EPD finish. As you can see, it's sort of a European shape, really popular. What you can see is this is actually on shower wall. So we have partnered with shower wall for InstallerSHOW. So any of the panels that have been seen around the show, so you can look on our sort of Instagram and LinkedIn, they are from shower wall as well. So InstallerSHOW, we talked a lot about our new products. It's been a brilliant 3 days. It's been a brilliant 3 days. So yeah, we talked a lot about our new products. It's been absolutely fabulous. Thank you to everyone that came over and spoke to us. Everyone that did ask a question for the live lounge that we didn't really do. We will get you out up with your bag. Thank you very much.